Alright, what you're seeing here is a wobbly ceiling fan here. This fan it's a very concerning fan. It hangs very low. The thing hangs low, but I do not live here. We're living at a friend's house, but but let me tell you, this ceiling fan is probably one of the wobbliest ceiling fans I've ever seen. It's wobbling a bit right now. It's on low speed, but I'm gonna deliver it in all speed. So here is medium. Got this one all speeds. So here's medium. Makes a very loud squeaking noise too. But oh my god, that's medium. And then something high, and then yeah, this very dangerous fan. I'm gonna put it back to low how they had it. That thing scares me though. It scares me. It's a 4-bladed fan, so better keep it on low. But it scares me so much. It's a top view from it. Yeah. That's how scary this fan is. It hangs very low too. I can't believe this fan. It's a 4-bladed fan. So that's all I wanted to show you, this extremely wobbly fan footage.